Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical levels. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold increased by 0.23% and made a high of 49,291. However, silver down by 0.75% and closed at 52,649. However, the trend is positive as the tension increase between US and China, and also the safe haven demand increase in gold on the back of increased coronavirus cases in the global. So we recommend buy in gold and silver. The trend is positive, so we recommend buy on dips. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 49,000, resistance at 49,500. Silver has a strong support at 52,200, resistance at 53,300. We recommend buy in gold and silver. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal recovered from the lower levels. Zinc and lead also recovered from lower levels. However, base metal yesterday closed on a negative note but recovered from the lower levels on the back of increased demand from industrial activity, also reduced supply due to strike in many mines of base metals like copper and nickel. For intraday perspective, we recommend buy in base metals. Copper has a strong support at 499, resistance at 506. Zinc has a strong support at 171, resistance at 176. Nickel has a strong support at 1015, resistance at 1040. However, the trend is positive and the demand is increasing in base metals. So we recommend buy in base metal, particular copper, zinc and nickel. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices closed on a sideways trend. However, they able to close at 3035 levels. In international market, prices are continuously sustaining above $40 per barrel, which is the sign of the positive trend. So we recommend buy in energy segment, particularly in crude oil prices. Crude oil for intraday perspective has a strong support at 2970, resistance at 3120. For intraday perspective, we recommend buy in crude oil as the trend is positive and the demand is increasing, expected to increase from the aviation sector as well as the industrial side. So we recommend buy in crude oil prices also. We hope that you will be get benefited from this commentary. Thank you very much.